Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn 4 small but powerful words in English. This, that, these, and those. They are called demonstrative pronouns, and they help us point to things. Let's see how they work in a fun and easy way. Demonstrative pronouns are used to show or point to specific people or things. They tell us two important things. Is the object singular or plural? Is it near or far from us? So let's break them down. This. Use this for one thing that is near you. Example. This is my phone. Holding it. That. Use that for one thing that is far from you. Example. That is a bird. Pointing far away. These. Use these for many things that are near you. Example. These are my friends. Standing with them. Those. Use those for many things that are far away. Example. Those are mountains. Pointing to the distance. So. Singular plus near. Use this. Singular plus far. Use that. Plural plus near. Use these. Plural plus far. Use those. Let's try more examples. This is my favorite book. Book in your hand. That was a great concert. A memory, or far away. These cookies are delicious. On your table. Those people are waiting in line. Over there. We can also use them with time. This morning, this week. Close in time. That day, that year. Far in time or past events. Now you know how to use this, that, these, and those like a pro. Try to use them today when talking about things around you. Write a sentence in the comments using one of the words. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple English lessons like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.